Hope you've had a wonderful start to your week and a great Tuesday. Let's start off with our weather headlines because this is kind of key of what we're looking at in the coming days. Several disturbances, weather disturbances, are going to be rolling through over the next few to several days. Basically, actually the next 5 days or so within the next 5-day period. I've got a couple of different disturbances that we're going to be monitoring and then another one for early next week. So generally speaking, we'll show you the 7-day and detail some of those changes as it relates to those disturbances moving through. We do have a higher chance for wintry weather this weekend. So we can go ahead and talk about that as we move through our maps in just a moment, particularly later Saturday night and into Sunday. Cold weather is then expected to linger into next week. Here's the jet stream, the river of air that kind of shows the air masses, the storm systems transitioning from west to east across the lower 48. And this is an upper level map, but a lot of times we can infer where some of the deeper troughs, the ridges, and therefore some of the storm systems and where it's going to be colder or warmer just from looking at the jet stream pattern. Because where you have a dip, that's where some colder air is going to be located. That translates down the surface. And there's another dip. One disturbance moves in, a weak one, Thursday night. That could give us a little bit of a light rain, light snow flurry mix. This is the next stronger disturbance moving in later Saturday into Sunday. And this is Sunday's depiction of a dip in the jet stream moving into the southeast in the Tennessee Valley. A favored location with this particular dip, and it's strong enough, it looks like we'll have a chance for mixed precipitation, maybe change over to all snow showers as we go the second half of this weekend. That's on the table right now as far as potential. And then that general colder air mass looks like it's going to linger into next week. That's the third part of our weather headline. And there's the look at even into next Friday, January 21st, somewhat colder than average in the east and a little bit warmer than average back out west. So here's a look at our Wednesday at a glance. Bring it back to the short term, the near term right now. And for tonight, clear skies will drop down to 24 tonight, so dress warmly. Mainly sunny at noontime, 42 tomorrow, and I expect a high temperature right around 50 degrees. Partly cloudy, a little bit milder, a little bit more cloud cover, but still dry and a little bit warmer tomorrow. For today, this Tuesday, high today was 43 after a low of 23, another below average day. So here's what's happening across the country, mainly quiet for most areas right now for the time being. And so again, we're looking at tranquil weather, a little bit of disturbance in Texas, mostly clear skies tonight. And again, looking ahead to our Wednesday, few clouds. First of several disturbances comes in later Thursday. A little bit of a light rain in the valley to snow shower mix in the mountains is possible. It could end to some snow flurries. A little bit of a coating or dusting possible, mainly higher elevations. Friday looks dry to part of Saturday. Then here's that low pressure. Remember the upper level map? Jet stream kind of showed that dip in the jet stream long about here. Surface low should be further south in southern Alabama and then tracking off to the east northeast. So places like northern Alabama, Georgia, parts of Tennessee could see wintry weather developing later Saturday night into Sunday. Then if that low pressure, this is one model forecast, still 5 days out. So we're going to fine tune the specifics. Just wanted to show you. Again, it's within 5 days, and there's a decent probability of this happening. At least some, again, we'll get to more of the details in time, but low pressure tracks up into the Carolinas. Some of that colder air, if we do get any rain snow mix, could change it back to snow showers as we go later Sunday and Sunday night. Then Monday, that system moves out. Another little weak disturbance could bring out some light snow showers with some cold air lingering. So that's kind of a preview of what we're looking at as we go through the weekend into early next week. Again, more of those details on the 7-day coming up. Clear and cold tonight, though, 24 for the low, so dress warmly. A little milder tomorrow, 50 degrees. The last 2 days we've been at 43, so a little warmer. There's that first disturbance. It could give us a light rain to snow flurry mix later Thursday and Thursday night. Dry and chilly Friday. Chilly on Saturday, low 40s, but highs only in the 30s with falling temperatures from Sunday into Monday. And that's when we got a better chance for wintry weather coming our way, particularly for the second half of the weekend. Again, we'll keep you updated as we go forward in the coming days. In the meantime, have a great night. Stay warm.